Guys, welcome back to another Miata Garage video where we're working on a non-Miata. Yes, I know, we've been getting comments about, where's my car? Why do I not do anything with it? I don't know. I just don't currently have the funds really to finish it right now, so instead of doing maintenance on my daily driver, we have an intake and tune. Ta-da! So today we'll be installing the RkTunes intake and OBD2 flash software on this E36. This is a S52 car, but the install should be pretty similar for S52 or M52. Alright, so what comes with the kit to do the intake is obviously this nice tube. It's silicone of some sorts. Nice RkTunes logo, a couple hose clamps, a little piece, I think this is stainless or aluminum, I don't know. This just goes in here, sandwich your filter on there. That's all you get with the intake, and then with the tune, you get this extra bag, which comes with a USB to OBD2 flasher, which you will need a Windows laptop. I think you can do it with Mac too, but you'll need a laptop of some sorts, and you also get this little jumper, which you'll be seeing later why you need that. And he also sent me quite a few stickers and keychain thingies, which I might use, who knows, but it's pretty simple install. I don't know if you just need this, but I know for the intake, all you're gonna need is a screwdriver and a 10 mil to get that going. So I guess we'll go ahead and start with that. So first we're gonna 10 mil, take off these two, boopity boop, and these little clippies, you can use a screwdriver, so time lapse. Okay, so you put that little metal thing in there, and pretty sure logo like this, and then you just schmunk, and then you realize, oh shart, my horn is in the way. So
you take your hood off and run it out the hood.
That's exactly right. We're gonna run it like this. Okay, so seriously, if you wanna take a little shot, show them. The intake goes down here, and the horn is in the way. So I am going to
cut the horn.
Figure something out. I think it unbolts. So do we just run no horn now?
Yeah, it's not like that Cobalt Miata one that you did.
Huh?
Where it has like the relocation for the
The one that's on Brandon's car?
Yeah, no, the one that's on my car actually. Brandon sold it.
I like how Brandon just has my car like 3 years ago.
No, because you had springs. You didn't have coilovers.
I don't even have a sway bar.
Are you filming? Okay, cool.
You
Guys, so this is an experiment. You'll see in the video if this works, but
Look at the lighting.
okay.
It looks so dramatic now.
Alright, see if it fits in there now. Give it a little effort. Okay.
Guys, if you want to learn how to destroy your air filter from RkTunes,
Shut the Should I just cut this off, bro? I'm about to cut that off.
You can just bend it.
Dude, it's like double. Okay, bend that shit. Why don't you bend that shit? Okay, he's bending it.
I can't get in. Yeah, just bend
Push
it.
down. Keep
Just bend it, dude.
Okay, I'll get a hammy.
What is this? This is like Monkey 101. Okay, guys, if you want to put on your intake, you have to use a hammer, a screwdriver, and a 10 mil. Blade is cutting his car up because intake.
I cut it.
Oh, also, if you guys want to see a Miata on the channel, turn around, you can see one.
Wait, I need the light. Y'all are, this isn't, y'all have taken.
Bro, you're scratching the intake. Not the Euro headlights.
Can I have the light?
You took it away.
Oh, I found it.
I feel like this is just rubbing on like everything.
Yeah, you're almost there. Bring it up.
1 second.
Alright. Don't put it in.
Well, it's like...
Yeah, but once it's in, it's in.
Okay. Are you tightening it?
Your thumb is on it.
Oh.
Am I tightening
Dude,
it? That was funny. Oh, fuck.
are you tightening it?
No?
It's okay, Clay. The camera wasn't right there.
I know. We're gonna fix it.
With?
I don't know.
Guys. Okay, now sit on limiter. Sit on limiter. Sit on limiter. Sit on limiter. And put it in neutral. We'll push it out. If you guys want to save gas, just get your friends to push your car everywhere. Push it into the street.
Let's go here.
Oh.
Wait, how do you mount this if there's...
What is that?
I need like 2 little bolts.
What are we
The M3 right there.
No, it says you.
Oh yeah, it does. Hey, do you want to take this?
Do I want to take this?
Yes, I can go check my coolant.
Oh, guy, hold on. I have to film Miata stuff. There has to be coolant. And that close up. Ooh, perfect bore.
Alright guys, we're back a week and a half later. We kind of left y'all hanging with the last clip. It was kind of weird, I know, but we're back. I believe we left off with just having an intake on. I did flash the tune on the car. It was pretty simple, straightforward. I had a little issue with the connector that I got sent to splice those 2 wires together. If you are installing it, you'll see that in the instruction PDF, you have to splice 2 wires together. It makes it a little more difficult with the connector they give you, so what I ended up doing is using my own alligator clip with some smaller teeth, which will make it a lot easier for yourself if you go buy one of those yourself. I'll show a picture on the screen right now of how I have it wired. It's pretty simple. That's really the only struggle of installing the tune. Then other than that, plug it in, flash it on your computer, and you're good to go.
No, you should do that again. What you doing over there?
Nothing. Okay, perfect. So on the intake side of things, you might have probably been screaming at me saying, Clay, you're missing the piece that goes around the map. And yes, when I opened the box, I guess I didn't see it in there. So that's the reason we had to kind of struggle with that intake, and we're wondering why it was so big. But all you have to do is put that other piece on there, and it goes straight on. So that was kind of our own fault, my own fault. So I'll take the blame for that. But the car is driving great right now. We're gonna get some sound clips for you, some exhaust clips, some intake clips. The pops sound good, maybe a little much sometimes, but I'm dealing with it for now. You'll see, it's pretty mellow when you're below like about 5,000, but you know, once you start getting up there, it'll you know, Matthew calls it the drum line. It's like so. Yeah, we're gonna go wash it real quick and then take some sound clips. Stay tuned for that. clips of this car. I think it really sounds good, especially when you're getting in that high RPM, hear that intake resonate. You know, it's got some pops. Like I said, I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of it, but it's really good. RkTunes, definitely, I would recommend it. If you don't like pops, like at all, or mild pops, option it with none. But if you're a fan of the drum roll, hit them up. The intake sounds great. The exhaust sounds really good too. I know y'all have really been wanting to see some Miata stuff. In the next videos will be only Miatas, working on Matthews, getting those drop knuckles on, and also fixing my car because the motor is almost done. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.